Welcome to another video on my channel, guys, and today we're doing a bike check video.
What you know about late nights, trapping in the snow till your feet numb and your nose run? What you know about rainy days when them skies are gray, nigga, we ain't see no sun? What you know about being pissed poor, man, when we was that broke, man, that shit wasn't no fun? What you know about wartime when we had to slide?
First thing that I'm going to show you guys is what I got today, native orange handlebars. They're actually so paying, I'm not going to lie. So yeah, moving on to the next thing, we've got a weight stand that's short, very short. There's not really much to say about that except for it's good for the price, very short. And we've got Hope spacers, a full piece spacer. And moving on to the next thing I've got is a Mafia Bikes seat in black, and the back plate on it is black, but I'm swapping with half dot 13 for an orange one.
I'll be in the trenches with my day ones. We gon' grind, stay down till that day come. I'm only 14, trying to get my cake up. Diamonds on my wrist, you know it's frozen. All these people always told me that I'm chosen.
This is the outro to my video, guys. See you in the next video and peace out.